Greetings, first-year law students. On behalf of Themis Bar Review, I want to welcome you to law school and tell you about a free resource that we're now offering first years like yourself. The Themis First Year Law School Essentials program is a free set of online materials focusing on the concepts, case law, and study skills that you need to thrive in your first year studying law. Now, it's designed to both prepare you for the rigor of the law school experience, as well as offer comprehensive video lectures, outlines, and more, covering all 1L subjects. It can be used in many different ways to help you succeed, and it's completely free. Now, the program includes a course called Skills for 1L Success, and this is designed to teach you the practical skills that you need to thrive in a law school environment. So you'll learn how to engage with your professors using Socratic method, how to read a case, how to brief a case, how to take notes in class that you will actually use, how to outline materials, and how to prepare for a final exam. So whether you're about to start law school, or even if you already have, Skills for 1L Success is designed to optimize your law school study skills. Now, First Year Law School Essentials also covers key concepts and case law for all first-year subjects. And this includes fully fledged video lectures, outlines, multiple choice questions, and essays. Each subject is broken down into short 5 to 10 minute videos taught by leading professors, and each video covers one main concept at a time, featuring infographics, animations, and detailed illustrations of cases, hypos, and example problems. In addition, each subject also includes a key concept sheet for quick reference, comprehensive outlines to help you prepare for classes, and you can use these outlines as black letter law reference guides and/or as templates to build your own outlines or checklists for final exams, so you no longer have to buy commercial outlines. Multiple choice questions to test your knowledge of each subject, and practice essays, including model answers. Now, the best part is you are free to use the First Year Law School Essentials program however you'd like. It's comprehensive, so if you're looking for a linear, fully fledged online course to work through in conjunction with your law school classes, well, it's all right there. But for many of you, these resources can serve as a reference library to help reinforce your law school experience. So you can pick and choose the videos that you want to watch in any order that you prefer. So, maybe you want to focus on specific concepts that you feel you didn't quite grasp in the classroom. Or maybe you're looking for a different perspective on the same material. Or maybe you just need a convenient 5-minute video on that day's subject to watch while taking the bus or riding a train. Or maybe it's final exam time, and you're looking for excellent professional grade outlines covering all first-year subjects to aid in your preparation. With Themis Law School Essentials program, you're free to use and access these resources however you see fit. So, if you're interested in gaining access to the Law School Essentials program, you can sign up for immediate access by visiting themisbar.com. Click on the Enroll tab in the upper right corner of the homepage, and then sign up to create your free Themis account. Choose Essentials under the course type, select the first year program, and then confirm. Thank you for listening. Welcome to law school.